The English 100 MLA Format Crash Course. What is MLA? MLA is the Modern Language Association for College Writers. What's new in the 8th edition? The 8th edition of the MLA Handbook, published in 2016, rethinks documentation for an era of a digital world. The MLA now recommends a universal set of guidelines that writers can apply to any source and gives writers in all fields, from the sciences to the humanities, the tools to intuitively document sources. Learn more below about the changes to MLA guidelines. Why do I need to format my papers in MLA? Learning particular formatting is very important. Not only does formatting make your essay look more formal, but formatting requires proper citations, giving credit to your sources. The basic format is very simple. You will double space your essays. You will use Times New Roman font, size 12. You will insert a header to all of your essays. You will insert header, page number, and you will type your last name in the header so that all of your essays have your last name and the page number in the header. On the first page only, on the left side of the essay, you will type your name, your instructor's name, the course, and the date. Let's format your very first MLA style paper. Please continue to watch this video so that you will be able to put your own essays in MLA format. MLA citations are giving credit to someone, a group, a corporation, in a specific formula, but they are not a URL, a dash in the name of whoever said the words, simply writing to according to the first passage, or simply writing according to James Nelson. For example, beware the groove, dash, little old man from Emperor's New Groove. MLA citations are not a dash in the name of whoever said the words. For example, great news! California will not sink into the ocean. However, it will get squished together, and then including a URL. MLA citations are not simply giving the URL where you found the information. That is not an MLA citation. However, there is an MLA formula. The MLA formula is as follows: author's last name, comma, author's first name, period, title, publisher, comma, published date, comma, page numbers, or URL, period. At this time, please Google search Fortnight article, and you are looking for the Fortnight article, The Summer of Pale. Create an MLA citation by looking at this article. Your citation should look like this: author's last name, author's first name, the title of the article in quotation marks because it's an article, and the way to know the difference between quotation marks and italics is that quotation marks are used for shorter works like articles, and italics are used for publishers, novels, plays, encyclopedias, lengthier works, the date it was published, and then the URL. Now go to the OWL at Purdue by simply clicking on the link. Bookmark this page so that you can continually go back to MLA Formatting and Style Guide. Please go back to this page and click around so that you can see how to cite various sources. Please watch this video. In-text citations. In-text citations are exactly what their title is. By definition, they are citations within the essay themselves that lead the reader to the MLA formula on the Works Cited page. All works cited on the Works Cited page must also be cited within the text. An in-text citation is the author's last name and the page number. However, if there is no page number, we will get to how you replace or delete this citation. So this is an example of an in-text citation. The author is Johnson and the information is on page 7. If there is no author, which many times there isn't because you use web pages and web articles so often that there are not any page numbers, then you simply leave them out. If there's no author, then you cite the text using the title of the work and the page number. So for example, the biography of Moses, 7. If there are no page numbers, like I was saying, then you simply use the author's last name, Garelli. So I quoted Garelli and then I typed his last name in parentheses, and then the period goes at the end of the citation. The in-text citation is part of the sentence, thus the punctuation follows the citation. You must cite direct quotes, paraphrases, examples, quotes within quotes, or any other information that you gain from a source. You may not copy and paste information found on the internet. You may quote information from credible sources, and these two things are definitely different. You may also paraphrase. When you write information or ideas from a source in your own words, you're paraphrasing that source. So you read it, and then you rewrite it in your own words, but you still must cite that source by adding an in-text citation at the end of the paraphrased portion. Paraphrasing from one page. Include a full in-text citation with the author's name and page number, if there is one. For example, mother-infant attachment became a leading topic of developmental research following the publication of John Bowlby's studies. Last name, page number.